Hey, I just finished filming the Muscadet episode, and I realized I have a Touraine Sauvignon Blanc in the house, so moved right into it. We're going to test this against the best, most popular New Zealand Sauvignon Blancs. We're going to see how this fares. Let's do it. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Cassara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today, we're continuing the year of the Loire Valley. And we are going to Touraine. And if you see, there's a map on the back that shows you in France where Touraine is. It's obviously that shaded area right in the middle. So, and Touraine, they do both red and white wines here. The white wines, I think, are almost, I don't know if they're exclusively Sauvignon Blanc, but they're mostly Sauvignon Blanc. And in our current wine climate, right, where Sauvignon Blanc from the Loire Valley under the name Sancerre is quite expensive and at this point borderline overpriced, something like this is well, we're going to see if it's a great option. So what are we drinking here? I like the I don't know if you'll be able to see it, the fleur de lis on the bottle. That's really cool. Val de Loire Valley. So this is the Phillippe Chainier Touraine Sauvignon Blanc. It is the 2023 vineyard vintage, and it is 12% alcohol by volume. Kind of a pretty bottle too. $14.99, I think, was the price on this. So if this stands up against Sancerre, certainly it'll then be it'll be a great value. If it stands up next to New Zealand Sauvignon Blancs, it'll be something just much better to try than the same old. So let's see what we get here. Kind of smells like a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. So I'm trying to decide whether that's grapefruit or passion fruit, or maybe it's just a mix of both. I'm getting a bit of jalapeno-y pepper, some grassy notes. It smells great. And these aromas are why people love New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. So Touraine, bringing it. I'm guessing this wine is isn't go through any sort of oak treatment or anything like that. It doesn't say, but it is. It's really nice, citrusy, sharp passion fruit, some cut grass, a little jalapeno pepper. It kind of smells like it's going to taste spicy. Let's see what we get. A little herbal on the finish, a little mint. Yeah. It's orange and lemon that kind of dominate from a flavor profile. I'm getting a little heat, a little alcoholic heat back here, which is surprising me. Maybe if this has a little more time to, we get some oxygen in it, that'll go away, that'll blow off. Sometimes that happens. So it's a little, right now it's a touch off balance, not the, but it's pretty delicious. Let me give it one more sip here. Actually, even that sip, like 30 seconds later, was softer, not as sharp. So I think that's blowing off. That's definitely, well, on that second sip, total tangerines. Still going. It's got a long finish. This is a pretty nice wine. I was kind of seeking out wines from the Loire Valley and a Touraine specifically to do this type of Sauvignon Blanc comparison, because I want to have a a thumbnail that says better than New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, because that's going to bring the viewers in. But I think this wine, these wines do compete against New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, and I think they're definitely a better value than the Sancerre bottles that are on the market today. Not that the Sancerre bottles are not delicious wines and well made and well balanced and stuff, but they're you used to be able to get Sauvignon Blanc, Sancerre in the 20s, and now I don't think you can. I don't think I've seen a Sancerre in the 20s in a long time. Now, if you see Sancerre Rouge, which is Pinot Noir, that's a secret weapon. Yeah, buy those because those are still reasonable. But back, focus on this Touraine Sauvignon Blanc, Loire Valley, 2023. Phillippe Chainier. It's a good one. I would buy it again, 100%. So third sip, no heat, no alcohol heat. So I think the moral of the story, that tangerine note is still there. There's actually a bitterness at the end, on the edge, the very edge right now. So there's a lot going on in this wine. Give it like 10 minutes to get some air, so you don't have experienced that little bit of heat on it. And go find yourself a Touraine. Go explore the Loire Valley. We're going to keep doing it here because it is 2025 is the year of the Loire Valley, according to me. And thanks for joining. Hit like and subscribe. 97.3% of you are not subscribed. I appreciate you watching, but it'd be great if you were on board so you could, continue to see my face and listen to me blabber on about wine. Love you guys. Till next time. Cheers.